My father is a tuna fisherman somewhere in General Santos.
Oh.
And then, sa tatlong magkakapatid, wala nang sumunod sa yapak eh. So
Oh.
later in life, in my late 30s, I realized, sino nagpalo sa father ko? And now I realized, ako pala nagpapalo sa footstep. Same in the ocean, but I'm not fishing. I am doing swimming. So parang something siya connected.
Ang galing
Doon ko
naman.
na-realize. And
Oo.
na-realize ko, Dino, afterward, late na, in my late 40s, sabi
Mm.
ko, ba't ko ginagawa to? I asked myself a question one night
Mm.
while I'm going to sleep. Doon ko na-realize na pagtagpi ko siya, ang storya, that this is what I wanted during my childhood.